Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make another nice low carb keto friendly breakfast. Pretty simple, French toast. And you say, hey, how are you going to make French toast carb friendly? Guess what? I have 0 carb bread. That's how I do it. So here we go. This bread right here, you can read it, keto friendly. If you look at the back, I believe it's 9 carbs per slice, but it has 9 fiber. So you subtract, and guess what? 0 carbs per slice. 0 carbs. So you can have French toast and no guilt. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make French toast. What I do is I make it with this bread. I use some cinnamon. Cinnamon has 4 carbs for a tablespoon. We're not even going to use that. We're going to use like half a teaspoon probably, just for a little bit of cinnamon flavor. So that's like a half a carb. I use a little bit of vanilla extract in my egg mix, which I don't believe has, let's see, I don't know, but I put a little splash. So I mean, if it's a carb, it's a lot. I don't know if anybody's ever done it, but I put a little bit of, the French vanilla creamer, just a splash into the egg mix. It's only 1 carb for a tablespoon, which is about what I'll put, a tablespoon. So far, maybe you got 2 carbs, 2 or 3 carbs for the whole thing. I'm gonna have 4 slices, so you can't beat it. The only thing you're beating is the eggs. Get it? Dad joke. Anyway, I'll probably cut that out. Let me get a fork. So I'll make my egg mixture in here. We'll put a little bit of just a splash of the vanilla, a splash of the French vanilla, a little splash of cinnamon, and we'll make our mixture. These are small eggs, so I'll probably use 4 of them. Maybe 3. 3 eggs. Try it with 3. Scramble them up. Little French vanilla. I said maybe a teaspoon with that. So it's enough. Half a carb maybe. A little. That's it. Just to give it a little vanilla flavor. And then a little splash of cinnamon. Maybe half a teaspoon, which will probably give you, like I said, maybe half a carb. Not a lot. Just spin it a little bit just to get it on the surface. That way you put your bread in, it sticks to your bread. Okay. And what I usually do too is I'll thin it out with maybe a tablespoon of water. Okay, mix the water in. Let's get our grill going. Now also, while I'm waiting for that to heat up, you may say to yourself, yeah, that's great. You can make French toast for maybe about a carb for 4 slices. What about the syrup? Well, I got that covered. Now I've tested them all, and this CARY'S sugar-free, low-calorie syrup is, to me, the best tasting syrup that's sugar-free. I don't even know how they do it. It's amazing. And, yeah, it's got 3 carbs for 2 tablespoons. So, there you go. 3 carbs for 2 tablespoons. So we'll use about 2 tablespoons. So 3, 4, maybe 5 carbs max. 5 carbs max, and you got 4 French toast. You're full probably all day. So that's how we do it. Butter, as you know, is 0 carbs. Get some of that butter on the grill. Okay, let's get that to melt. Take our keto bread. Four slices of bread. I know it's actually a lot of French toast for somebody. 4 pieces. Now I like to let it sit in the mix, soak it in a little bit. Flip it. Let that soak for a second. Let's get this bad boy going here. Get our first slice in. There we go. Next one. Soak in. Flip it. That's not going to be enough for another French toast, so I got to put another egg. They say it's 4 eggs, but we happen to buy small eggs. They're very small, so that's okay. Mix that in. This one in. Now, usually if I have a little extra, I'll pour it over them. Just rub it around. A little extra egg batter. A little extra egg batter never hurt anyone. Let's clean that off. We'll let that cook up. Butter in the middle. Get them nice and brown. Flip them over. Look at that. baby. Just melt a little butter on top of each one. I like doing it while it's up here. It soaks in. Go. Get a plate. Oh yeah. Shut the oven off because she's done. Beautiful. Nice. Off there. Everything is off. There you go. Low carb French toast. Can't beat it. You feed this to anyone, they'll never know. Never know that it's low carb. Alright, we're going to sit down and eat it. Give you a taste test. Alright guys. Let's go zoom this thing. There's a new one. There's a new one. Just a little hint too. You can take this. I do it all the time. You can take this and you can put it on your grilled vegetables too. Just sugar-free syrup when you bake them in the oven. Tastes amazing. Do about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. That's plenty. And now we're going to top this all off with another 0 carb item that's going to take this over the top. Right back. That's right, bacon. I just put this in the microwave. You buy this fully cooked over at Costco. And it's put 4 slices in the microwave for 1 minute. And that's it, done. It's very easy. So, let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. Being on a keto-friendly diet never tasted so good. There you go, guys. Quick, easy French toast. No one even knows it's keto-friendly. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.